Craving for that satisfying crunch of perfectly fried chicken? We're talking golden brown, flavorful, and juicy on the inside, AIP style. Let's bring this culinary dream to life. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace. We have today a simple comfort dish that only requires minimal ingredients and preparation. Our crispy fried chicken AIP style is a great addition to our quick and easy AIP recipes. To get started, we will rub an ample amount of salt all over the chicken. I have here a mixture of chicken wings and breast for about a pound or two total. Leave this on for at least 20 minutes or overnight. This will get absorbed into the meat for flavor and keeping the skin attached to the meat in the cooking process. Then, we can prepare a mixture of coconut yogurt and coconut milk of equal parts as our AIP Buttermilk substitute that serves as a binder of the flour to the chicken. I am mixing a third cup of coconut yogurt and a third cup of coconut milk. Stir gently to combine it well. Moving on, before we dump our chicken into our mixture, we want to rinse the salt off thoroughly with running filtered water. And pat the chicken dry. Into a Ziploc bag, let us combine a half cup of cassava flour and 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic. Mix this really well. And we empty this into a bowl. Into a frying pan over medium-high heat, we will fill this with avocado oil halfway. Allow this to heat up while we are preparing our chicken. Then, we drench the chicken evenly into our AIP buttermilk mixture. And moving on to the flour to coat our chicken nicely. Do a few of these, and once there's enough for a batch, then we can start frying by loading them to the frying pan slowly so we won't get hot oil splatter. And gradually lower the heat to medium. Wait for a few minutes each side until it turns light golden brown in appearance. Or measure the meat's internal temperature by cooking thermometer. It should be between 74 to 79 degrees Celsius or 165 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. To make sure that the chicken meat is thoroughly cooked, especially the red meat portions. Repeat the process until the rest of the prepared chicken has been fried, and feel free to adjust the ratios of the recipes according to your needs.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our crispy fried chicken AIP style. Now it's your turn to bring this classic comfort recipe to life in your own kitchen. Click the links in the description below for the full ingredient list. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe for more AIP-friendly recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, be healed and be blessed. Bye-bye!